Hey young explorers! Welcome to an adventurous rescue mission where African jungle animals find themselves stuck in the mud and construction vehicles come to the rescue. Join us for an exciting journey filled with bravery, teamwork, and fascinating encounters with wildlife. So let's explore the video. Unveiling the exotic Eztec Jeep. Eztec Jeeps are often praised for their attention to detail and realistic design. They strive to replicate the appearance of real Jeeps as closely as possible in their toy models. Eztec Jeeps typically come with remote control functionality, allowing users to drive them around with ease. Introducing the scale plane phenomenon. The first jet engine was invented by Sir Frank Whittle, a British engineer, in the 1930s. It revolutionized air travel by providing faster and more efficient propulsion compared to traditional piston engines. The Boeing 747. Unveiling the secrets of Hippopotamus. Hippos are excellent swimmers and spend a significant amount of time in the water. They are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa and are responsible for more human deaths on the continent than other large animals. Discovering the car transport truck. Car transport trucks, also known as auto transporters or car carriers, play a critical role in the automotive industry by transporting vehicles from manufacturers to dealerships, as well as facilitating the movement of cars for individuals. Insights into the lives of dogs. Dogs come in a wide range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Great Dane. The smallest dog ever recorded was a Yorkshire Terrier, weighing just 4 ounces. From solid colors to spots, let's dive into the world of lions. Lions are the only truly social cats living in groups called prides. A pride typically consists of several related females, their offspring, and a coalition of 2 to 3 males. One of the most distinctive features of male lions is their mane. The legend of McQueen Car. Racing cars are designed with sleek, aerodynamic bodies to minimize drag and maximize speed. Every curve and counter is carefully crafted to slice through the air efficiently. Racing cars are equipped with powerful engines, tails from the herd of the moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Adult males, known as bulls, decoding the cement mixer trucks. Cement mixer trucks also known as concrete mixer trucks, are specialized vehicles designed to transport and mix concrete to construction sites. They typically consist of a large rotating drum mounted on the back of a truck chassis. The drum is the primary component where the concrete is mixed. The dazzling world of the lioness. Lionesses, along with the dominant male, work together to define the prize territory against intruders. Their lifespan can be influenced by factors such as food availability, habitat conditions, and interactions with other predators. The spellbinding world of polar bears. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable to climate change. Polar bears are well adapted to life in the Arctic with a thick layer of blubber and dense fur that insulates them from the cold temperatures. Introducing the powerful bull. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. They may engage in activities like pawing the ground or bellowing as signs of aggression. The enchanting story of reindeer. Some populations of reindeer have been domesticated by indigenous peoples in the Arctic for various purposes, including transportation, milk, and meat. Reindeer are herbivores and their diet consists mainly of lichens, discovering the zebra's unique charm. Brave zebra are the largest and most endangered species of zebras. They are native to Eastern Africa and are known for their thin stripes and large ears. The plains zebra is the most common and widespread species. The graceful stride of camels. Camels have a remarkable ability to find their way in featureless deserts. They are known for their keen sense of direction and can navigate using landmarks and celestial cues. Camel milk is a nutritious alternative to cow's milk. It is lower in fat and lactose, and it contains more vitamin C and iron. Understanding the role of tigers. Tigers are powerful hunters and mainly prey on large mammals such as deer, wild boar, and water buffalo. They are also known to eat smaller animals like birds and fish. All tiger species are endangered primarily due to habitat loss and conflict with humans. Gratitude for your attention to our African jungle animals stuck in mud and construction vehicles for kids show. Subscribe now for this unforgettable adventure of courage and compassion as we come together to rescue African jungle animals stuck in the mud. With the help of construction vehicles, let's make a difference and ensure a brighter future for wildlife. More muddy adventures await. Stay tuned. take care, little kiddos.